Hi friends, it's Sam, your real estate man. My home didn't sell. What the heck happened? Well, stick around. Let me tell you a quick story. This young lady had a nice house for sale in a great neighborhood. But after 100 days, it came off the market as an expired listing. Well, I called and asked what happened and how she chose her agent. She says the agent was a friend of her mother's and that she trusted his judgment. Well, I asked what she thought that agent could have done better. Apparently, it was a lot of things. It turns out he didn't research home values around the neighborhood and the home was overpriced. He didn't have any open houses, had terrible pictures which had to be taken over. He never consulted her about staging a home and how that can improve a buyer's experience. He never contacted her about having a price reduction. In 3 months, they only had 7 people come look at that place. The point I'm trying to make is this. An agent was doing what I call the 3 Ps of real estate. They put a sign out in the front yard, they put it in the multiple listing service, and then they pray somebody's going to come and buy the house. But here's the good news. That young lady hired me as her agent. We sat down, I found out what was important to her about this move. We took professional photos, set out hundreds of mailers, made killer brochures, I did a ton of prospecting, I had open houses, gave constant feedback about what buyers thought of the place. We made a small price improvement to align ourselves with the current market. A buyer came in with an offer that was over of what we were asking for. The reality is, to get your home sold for the most amount of money, it requires a game plan. Friends, if you're interested in hearing about my game plan on how to get top dollar for the sale of your home with guaranteed results, contact me right now. I'll make it happen. And remember, I'm Sam, your real estate man. Make it a great day. You never consulted her about staging and how... Okay. They put the sign out front. This is bad. All right, the point I want to make is that... Oh my God. Okay.